making another really simple dinner tonight. Steak, green beans, and some sweet potatoes. The steak is coated in some butter that I had mixed with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. And I like cooking my food on a cast iron skillet, so this is gonna go out on the grill in a minute. Then on the stovetop, I'm just gonna boil up some sweet potatoes, which I will, after they cook, I will drain them and mash them up. It's a whopping 35 degrees outside, but I've cooked my steak on the grill on 400 degrees for 4.5 minutes on each side. And there you have it, dinner is served. And we'll just slice into the meat. Oh yeah, oh, it's nice and pink in the middle. That is perfect, just the way I like it. Have a great night, everyone.